mad like a stick of lead, whipping you, flipping you out of bed. Cause I'm idolize, sidewalk and sizzling egg, and we as hip-hop is a cripple with dreads, missing a leg. Visitors get addicted and don't wanna leave, blowing on trains from Kentucky to the Florida Keys. Humidity floats in the breeze, and this is the only place where shorties can go to the beach and go double D. Like good Jesus, let me rub some lotion on your cleavage, cause where we live, summertime lasts about 4 seasons. Parties are real loud, plus systems got clear sounds. Birds fly here in winter, chickens in here year round, and they ass is meaner. The grass is greener and tap is cleaner. Follow me in any questions, ask the leaders in the blended genius of cunning linguists, spitting it clear. Sipping beer on a postcard like I wish you were here. So come on down, show and tell with some southern bells. Tricks with treats you don't keep in the pumpkin tail. Hospitality, we treat our company well. From Kentucky bells of hay way down the Florida shells. Downs with chunky tails.
Človek si tu musí dávať strašný pozor. Sa tu nachádzajú vodné hady. Takže musím jazdiť opatrne a potichu. Nemá nejaký si.
With my scriptures, it grabs you and it grips you and takes you on adventures to dimensions I can't even begin to explain. I tantalize your senses with sentences it's senseless to attempt to diss. My plan to rise is endless. I'm generally known to be off the hinges with a microphone with me. You wanna fight? Come on, hit me. I ain't gonna stop beating that ass until the cops come get me. Profuse verbal abuse to cook your goose. I serve superb turbulence when I get loose. The beat get battered and bruised. You nerds get hit from every direction after the herb get lit. Who wanna come contest me now? Let's get down. Get on up and get the mess beat out of your pesky clown ass. Pathetic competitors won't last around after I blast around at your casket. Cats get disfigured and eat a fish. Of this, and when I'm pissed, and even when I'm feeling bliss, it'll be an unworthy risk to disturb me, cause I'm impervious to the words you spit. I split nucleuses when I shoot the gift. It's ridiculous to dispute me if you don't wanna shoot me. Just watch me do my duty. My rap slaps your ears like sticks, pucks, and hockey. I don't give a big fuck at all about all your jewelry and tomfoolery. You can get the balls. If you don't wanna be cool with me, we can brawl. We do it every weekend, y'all, at the Fight Club. I hit 'em up like what? First rule on your first night, you gotta fight. Just insert the mic plugs. You got the right ones. If you wanna fight, come show your guns at the